Good morning students. Now today we have to study from the reflecting periscope. Okay, because regular irregular reflections, image formation of a point source, of a extended source and other or all other topics I have already explained in my videos. Now today we will begin with the reflecting periscope. See, I have made a figure of a reflecting periscope. Okay, so now first study about its construction. What is reflecting periscope and how it is made up of. So a reflecting periscope consists of a cardboard. Okay, a reflecting periscope consists of a cardboard or a wooden tube bent twice at a right angle. Okay, so this is made up of a wooden cardboard. Okay, it is made up of a wooden cardboard in which a mirror is bent at a right angle twice. Okay, see here, one mirror is here and one mirror is here, bending at the right angle. This is the right angle. Here one mirror is placed and this is the right angle, and here one mirror is placed. You all know now what is right angles. Right angle means when we have a figure like this, so this is the right angle. See here, this is the right angle. At right angle we have a mirror and here at right angle we have a mirror. So two types of mirror we have in this reflecting periscope, and it is made up of a wooden cardboard. It is provided with two openings as shown in figure. As shown in figure, it is provided with two openings, first from this side and other from on this side. Okay, two plane mirrors are fixed at the bend of the tube such that they make an angle of 45 degree with the frame of the tube. And we are seeing here that these two plane mirrors are kept at an angle of 45 degree. These two plane mirrors are kept at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, so this is the whole construction of the reflecting periscope. That means what? A reflecting periscope is made up of a wooden cardboard which is bent twice at the right angle. See, first and second we have a two bendings of the right angle, and what happens here, only we will place two mirror at an angle of 45 degree and it having a two open end. Okay, so this is known as reflecting periscope. See here what happens when, now see how it working. See here, when ray of light enter in the reflecting periscope, when a ray of light enters in a reflecting periscope, what happens? After striking in a plane mirror, it will follow the laws of reflection and it will start reflecting. Okay, it will reflect and it will go downward. It will go downward, and what happens here also, when we have a mirror, after striking here, the rays of light after striking here will move forward at this side, and what happens when a person is seeing from here, a person is keeping eye from here, he will see the image what is here. He will see the image of the object which is kept here. Okay, suppose if a man is standing here or walking somewhere, what happens? He will see from here. He will see that man from here. Why? Because it is opened from here, and because of rays of light, what happens? It will enter from here, after striking it will go here, after again striking it will comes to the eye of the human. So he will see the image of that person from here. Okay, so this is how it work, reflecting periscope. Okay, see, when the rays of light from an object at higher level, that means here at higher level, enters the tube, they suffer two successive reflections, first reflection, second reflection. So we have two successive reflections. The final image of the object is seen at the lower end of the periscope. So final image will be seen here at the lower end of the periscope. However, see here, reflecting periscope can be used to see above the head of a crowds. It can be used by the soldier in a trench warfare. So reflecting periscope can be used where? At trench warfare. Trench warfare. Trench warfare means what? जब हमारे सोल्जर्स क्या होते हैं, LAC पे LOC पे क्या होता है, जब वहाँ पे क्या होता है, दे नीड टू ट्रेंच. ट्रेंच मीन्स उनको एक छोटा सा ट्रेंच बनाना पड़ता है, गड्ढा खोदना पड़ता है, और वहाँ पे उनको छुप के रहना पड़ता है और वहाँ से वो देखना चाहते हैं कि नीचे गड्ढे से कि ऊपर क्या हो रहा है. सो एट दैट टाइम दे नीड टू यूज़ अ व्हाट रिफ्लेक्टिंग पेरिस्कोप. वो नीचे से ही देखते हैं और ऊपर की चीज़ें उनको क्या है आराम से दिखा करती है कि कहाँ पे कौन सा दूसरे देश का सिपाही या कोई भी चीज़ क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पे कौन कहाँ पे है. तो वहाँ से फिर वो उस हिसाब से निशाना लगा के दे विल हैव अ वॉर. ओके, लाइक दैट ओनली दे विल फॉट अ वॉर. सो दिस इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल एट दैट टाइम ड्यूरिंग अ trench warfare used by the soldier. Okay, so this is the reflecting periscope. Okay, however there is one problem with this kind of periscope. If any dust or moisture depends on the plane mirror, it stops working because no reflection of light takes place. So yes, what happens if, because it is open at both the end, so what happens, dust and dust and smokes, all these can be settled on the mirror surface. Okay, if it is settled on the surface of the mirror dust, then what happens, it will stop working. So we need to clean it time to time so that it will not stop working, otherwise it will stop working. So this is about the reflecting periscope. Now after this we have to study about the real and virtual image. Okay, real image and virtual image. So I think I have explained thoroughly about the reflecting periscope and it is very easy also. You all have understand clearly. Okay, so how it is used by the soldiers and armies mostly during the trench warfare. What is trench warfare, that is also I have explained. Trench means गड्ढा, trench warfare means गड्ढे के अंदर रहकर सोल्जर्स क्या करते हैं, सामने वाले सिपाहियों की मूवमेंट को देखा करते हैं. उसके हिसाब से फिर वो जो डिसीजन लेना होता है, मारना होता है या फिर जो करना होता है, दे यूज टू डू एट दैट टाइम. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग द ट्रेंच वॉरफेयर रिफ्लेक्टिंग पेरिस्कोप. Now what is difference between real image and virtual image? Now we have to study about real image and virtual image. Okay, virtual image, we have two types of image that we know. That first one is real image. Real image can be taken on the screen. Real image can be taken on the screen. It can be taken on the screen. Okay, and what about virtual image? It cannot be taken on the screen. It cannot be taken on the screen. Okay, virtual image cannot be taken on the screen. Real image can be taken on the screen. Okay, second point with what we have, that the rays of light meet at a point after reflection. Rays of light meet at a point after reflection. Okay, after reflection they will meet at a point. And about virtual image, what, that the rays of light appear to meet at a point. It will not actually meet, it will appear to meet at a point. It will appear to meet at a point. At a point. Okay, at a point. It will appear to meet at a point, virtual, and real will actually meet it at a point. It will always inverted and it will always erect. Third is inverted image will form. Inverted image, and here image will be erect. Okay, image will be erect but diminished also, can you say, but laterally inverted. Okay, erect but laterally inverted also, but laterally inverted also. So these are the 3 points of the real and virtual image. Very important difference. Okay, it can be taken on the screen, it cannot be taken on the screen. Rays of light meet at a point after reflection. Rays of a light appear to meet at a point after reflection. Image will be always inverted, and here image will be always erect and but can be a laterally inverted. Okay, so this is about the real and virtual image we have studied. Now we have to study about the uses of the plane mirror. Okay, uses of the plane mirror. So it is written in the book, 7-8 points, all are very important. See here, they are used as a looking glass. Plane mirror is always used as a looking glass. The glass which we have, the mirror which we have in our house is actually a plane mirror which is used by us to see ourselves. Okay. Second, they are used by barber to show the customer the back side of his head. Okay. So the back side of the head is shown to you by the barber in the during cutting of hairs, that you all have observed already. Third, they are used for signaling by the scouts and the army personnel. It is also used as the signaling. Why? Because of the reflections. So signal will reach to the army and scouts very rapidly. Okay. So used by them also. Fourth, they are used by the opticians to provide false dimension when their place of work is very small. So they are used by the opticians. Opticians means what? Who are the opticians? Opticians means जो आँखों के चश्मा बनाते हैं, आँखों का जो चश्मा बनाते हैं, चश्मा जहाँ पे बनाया जाता है डॉक्टर सजेस्ट करते हैं और जहाँ पे जाके ग्लास चेंज होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज ऑप्टिशियंस. ओके. तो चश्मा को सही करने वाले कौन? ऑप्टिशियंस. दे आर यूज बाय द ऑप्टिशियंस टू प्रोवाइड फॉल्स डायमेंशन. फॉल्स डायमेंशन मीन्स जो इमेज सही नहीं आ रही है उसको सही करना. ओके. बहुत से लोगों की आँख कमज़ोर होती है, देख नहीं पाते सही से, तो उसको बोलते हैं फॉल्स डायमेंशन. चश्मा लगा के वो क्या है, उसको रेक्टिफाई कर देते हैं, अब सही से दिखना शुरू हो जाता है. दैट इज़ to rectify it, to correct it. Fifth, they are used by providing false dimension in showcases while displaying jewelry, wrist watches, etc. to plane mirror are fixed at the opposite sides of the showcase such that their reflecting surface face each other. This led to the formation of multiple images. So used by whom? Used by the jewelries maker, used by the wristwatch maker. Okay. So to display 2-3 types of its image, so that they can understand what is real and what is not real. Okay. So used by them also. You have seen many times in our in jewelry shops that many of them are working on the golds by having a mirror on their eyes, a gold shaped mirror they are having on their one eye, and they start doing a work. And also in watches, in watch house also you have seen that they are making some watch. What they are doing, they are keeping a mirror, a round shaped mirror, a plane mirror on their eye while working, while resolving the problems of the wristwatches. So these are the plane mirrors. Sixth is they are used in solar cookers for reflecting the rays of the sun into the interior of the solar cooker. Used by solar cooker also, in solar panels. Okay. Seventh, they are used for making toys like kaleidoscope. In this toy, 3 plane mirrors are inclined at an angle of 60 degree and fixed in a tube. Some broken bangles are placed inside the tube. When the tube is turned, the image of bangles form a beautiful hexagonal image. Okay. So this is known as kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is actually a triangular figure shape. This is a kaleidoscope. Okay. Something like this. We have a kaleidoscope. What happens? All angles will be in 60 degree. Okay. 60 degree, 60 degree. So here also 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Because of 60 degree, a hexagonal image formed in kaleidoscope. Okay. In kaleidoscope. This is a toy used by the small children to play. Okay. Now they are used in making reflecting periscope. It is also plane mirror we have studied, used in making periscope. Did you know? See what it is written. Aryan used still water in a big flat boat as mirror. The first solid mirror was made by polishing a black volcanic rock called obsidian. Okay. So it is known as obsidian. First soldier used to make a black used a black volcanic rock to see the image. So obsidian it is known as. Romans and Greek used highly polished brass and silver as a mirror. Okay. Modern mirror was invented by Justus von Liebig, a German chemist in 1835. The mirror is made by coating a fine layer of silver on one side of a flat glass. This process of making mirror is called silvering of a glass. It is written here, you will study here. Now about primary colors. Okay, now we have to study about the primary colors. What are the primary colors? Okay, primary colors. What are primary colors? These are red, blue and green. Red, blue and green are known as primary colors. Okay, so you all have studied about the white light. What is white light? White light is actually, the white light which we see is actually a combination of 7 colors. 7 colors is actually a combination of a 7 color. White light is actually a combination of 7 colors. Okay, 7 colors. Which are these color? Which are these color? These are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, red, orange. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are the white light, combination of a 7 colors of a white light. Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, red, orange. We can remember it by the name Vibgyor. We can remember it by the name